Lose weight with onion juice. Onions are super healthy, whether you eat them raw or cooked. They are packed with nutrients that are beneficial for your health in a number of ways. In fact, this flavorful bulb is a rich source of quercetin, a type of antioxidant flavonoid that boosts metabolism and prevents fat accumulation. Onions are low in calories, very low in sodium, and contain no fat or cholesterol. Hence, you would want to include onion in your fat loss diet if you're really serious about shedding a few extra pounds. But, it's important to know how to use it correctly to reap the optimal benefits. One of the most effective and simplest ways to use onion for weight loss is to consume onion juice with honey on an empty stomach. It is believed that taking onion juice sweetened with honey on an empty stomach every morning can efficiently help eliminate excess fat from your entire body, including that from your belly. Honey, which is an excellent ingredient for weight loss, anyway, is loaded with metabolism-boosting properties. So, the mixture truly works as an elixir for weight loss, if taken regularly on an empty stomach. How can onions also help you to lose weight? Because they are in the top 10 of foods that are rich in polyphenols and especially quercetin, which fights weight gain by keeping the cardiovascular system in shape and keeping resistance to insulin low. They are a rich source of flavonoids, which fights inflammation and insulin resistance in the body, making it easier to exercise on a regular basis. Onions are rich in biotin, which helps the body metabolize carbohydrates more efficiently, which in turn expedites weight loss. Onions contain D-allyl disulfide, which helps reduce cholesterol levels and which stimulates the intestines to process weight efficiently. Onions are rich in manganese, copper, phosphorus, potassium, and folate, all of which nourish the blood and circulatory system, keeping the body in generally good working order. They are rich in sulfides, which help keep connective tissues in good order so that you can exercise without pain. How to prepare onion juice for weight loss. Ingredients: 1 bulb of fresh white onion, 3 cups of water, 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. How to prepare. Remove the skin of the onion and slice it. Add a cup of water to a saucepan and bring it to a boil. After 4 minutes, remove it from flame and transfer it to a blender. Blend it well and add 2 more cups of water. Pour the onion juice into a glass and drink it.